We're at Tillamook Creamery in Tillamook, Oregon right now, and if you've ever been to Epcot, you know the soda taste test thing they have going on. This is better than that. Like, this is so much better than that. I've never seen these flavors before. It's a really good brand. I've never heard about it.
Let's
but
try the
so there's
coconut.
Cola.
Yeah, that one we can't have.
Cola Light, root beer, cherry cream, blood orange, lemongrass, cucumber, coconut. Are you kidding me? Okay, so he likes coconut the most. I think it's your favorite, right? It is so good. Let me sip it. That's crazy. Cucumber is my personal favorite. It's so good. There's nothing like it. Like, that's insane. Lemongrass. I think this one tastes kind of gingery. They're so good. This is way better than the ones at Epcot. Blood orange.
No thanks.
You don't like the blood orange one? I like the blood orange one. I think it's really good. Cherry cream. Sorry, I'll give you the first sip of root beer. That one's really good too. Oh, he likes it. All right, let me fill it up with root beer. The only two that have caffeine are the cola and the Cola Light. Root beer. I think this is my new favorite reason to come here. I love the cheese, but like, let me check. My favorite is definitely the cucumber. What's your favorite? Cherry cream.